and why did you want to bring the Real World Design Challenge to Alabama?
It's all about creating a capable, competent workforce. That means jobs in Alabama. And this Real World Design Challenge engages our brightest and our best and our students and our teachers, so that if our young people can experience and be a part of this design project that involves math and engineering and science and technology, they're going to get to experience what it is like to create, to lead, to design, to market, and therefore get an early glimpse on what it is in the real world that it takes to be successful.
And do you think this hands-on experience is really
I'm a former teacher, and I know that is the case, is how one learns. The more you learn the least by lecture method, because that's audio. You learn next best by vision, but you learn the best when the vision, the hearing, and the interaction is in fact engaged.
I've done a couple of STEM stories before, and I've kind of heard that sometimes students aren't really interested in science.
That's what they think before they get started.
So do you think this is a good way to
open
up their eyes?
Because they're going to get to be doing things, the project manager, the marketing specialist, the design engineer. And they're going to get to be doing some things that's going to open their eyes and say, well, you know, I believe I can do this. Just because my folks didn't like math doesn't mean I don't like it. Yeah.
So are you excited about this partnership with AMSTEC as well?
Well, with AMSTEC, with these industries that are providing these resources, the mentors and the software packages worth $1 million to each teacher who fields a team, that's huge. I mean, that is huge, and yes, I'm proud to be a part of it. And I'm proud to be Lieutenant Governor and Vice Chairman of the Aerospace States Association, of which Alabama is one. We are proud of our aviation technology industry, want to keep it, want to add some more to it, but we most of all want jobs, good paying, high quality jobs for our people in Alabama. The ones that are employed now, we want them to be able to stay employed, but we've got to have these young people coming in to feed the pipeline.
Exactly, this is a big deal just for the state of Alabama.
When you heard the gentleman talk about the need in terms of national security, we need engineers and designers, and in terms of keeping technology going in development. So it's national security, and it's the domestic policy of the United States depends on this. So yes, this is on the cutting edge of where we ought to be, to have education being taught to students so students learn at high standards, K through PhD.
And is this something that's going to continue on into the future?
Well, I certainly hope so. I'm going to give it all I've got.
Well, I think that's all of my questions. Is there anything else that you would like to add about this or today?
Well, I want to encourage so many teachers to volunteer and get information. The last day to sign up is November 18. So we need everybody to get on board and get your teams organized. They will announce the challenge October 11th, so the sooner the better. I hope they'll all be watching your show, APTV, and get this information so teachers can sign up their teams.